In this OhSoReal review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to create the most realistic UGC, that's user-generated content videos, that I've ever seen. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out OhSoReal, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page together. It says, welcome to the poor man's shortcut to social profits, UGC and influencer videos in minutes, no BS. Type your UGC influencer videos into existence, any settings, different outfits, holding real products in multiple languages and more. So essentially what this can do, and you can see it right on this page, there's tons of examples here of it actually in action. You can create these realistic people, get them to say whatever you want. You can even have them holding like a physical product in their hand. So if there's something that you wanted to demo, like these people right here holding onto this little microphone, or this beer here or whatever, you can have them actually hold it and say whatever you want them to do. So it's really great for social media. You can do this for ads. You can do this to sell stuff as an affiliate and never have to put your own face on camera. You can even sell this as a service to clients. So there's a ton of examples here on the sales page of this in action. You can actually see these people moving. I highly recommend that you go there and at least check it out. Even if you're not going to buy it, go look at it. I think you're going to be impressed by it. Other software out there, things like Google VO3, you might have seen all these crazy different videos coming out lately. These cost like $230 a month to use. Now with this is much more affordable and it does an amazing job. Now Todd and I actually did an interview. You can check that out on my bonus page where we did a complete walkthrough, a complete demo of it in action. So if you want to see more of that, you can go to on my bonus page. You can actually see that and see it in action there. And I'm sure there's some more demos here on the page as well. But just really neat here. You see tons of different use cases, like using it to sell products, using it for your brand, using it for testimonials, all these different things, affiliate marketers, digital marketers, course sellers, coaches, agencies, freelancers, anyone who hates being on camera. I don't care about being on camera, but I know everyone isn't like me. So if you don't want to be on camera, you can actually have this do all of the work for you, which is kind of fun. It's fun to play around with as well. And there's two different options that you're going to see on the sales page. One is a commercial license, and that's going to give you up to 10 realistic avatars. You can do 15-second videos. You get 500 credits per month, so that's about 33 videos. English voices only, up to 720p quality, and you still get commercial use with it. It's going to be less expensive, but you're going to have to go through a sales funnel, and they're going to offer you different upgrades, which some of them I think that you definitely want to get the most power out of this. Now you can skip all that and just get this one right here. The other option is the feature bank. It has 30-second videos. So you go from 15 to 30-second. You can do 500 character scripts. You can save avatars with outfits up to 4K video quality, multilingual support. You can upload physical or digital images. Avatars can hold products, instant access to 120 plus pre-made avatars and 600 monthly credits. It says 10 minutes worth of video included on that one with an option to upgrade to unlimited. So those are the options on the front end here. I'm gonna go ahead and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more, then I'll come back, show you the back end area, the OTOs, and more about that bundle.
Can you believe I am an AI generated? Yes, I am.
Hi, I am Alicia, an AI avatar from Synthesis.
Guys, you need to check this out. Synthesis Persona is coming soon. What follows next could be a game changer for you.
Guys, you need to check this out. This eyeliner from Cosmetics is amazing. I think you will love that product for sure.
Guys, you need to check this out. This fish oil from Warrior Lab is amazing. I think you will love that product for sure.
Mostly cloudy tonight with showers and thunderstorms and low around 55 degrees.
You can easily get paid hundreds of dollars for just minutes of your time when you use the agency version of InstaStory to create bio landing pages for clients.
Guys, you need to buy this right now.
Hey guys, are you ready to take your creativity to the next level?
The era of lip syncing is over.
Let your imagination run wild with the possibilities of what you just saw. Even ChatGPT agrees there's no mainstream platform right now that offers everything that we do in our brand new AI avatar revolution called OhSoReal. I'm Todd Gross, and as usual, we are pioneering the practical money-making use of AI avatars as they take over the lucrative world of what's called UGC, or user-generated content, with features never seen before, and quality that is once again ahead of its time, that will put you at the top. You see, these AI avatars come any way you'd like. You just write a description of what they should look like and what their settings should be. You provide text of what they should say, and boom, 100% human-looking AI avatars that look and say exactly what you want, all from just those text prompts. That means no humans and no photos are needed, and endless versatility like never before. Any setting, any person saying virtually anything. But, the best, most unique feature of all that has been the cornerstone of all sales since the dawn of time is they actually have the ability to show and tell. That's right, they interact with objects such as holding a coffee cup, a book, or a logo. And that's what businesses worldwide pay content creators for, to show off their products. But that's not all.
I can change my outfit and accessories as needed.
I'm reusable for ad and storyline continuity. See, it was time for a change of scenery.
I'm multilingual in 30 different languages. Or let me say that again. Soy multilingüe en 30 idiomas diferentes.
I can also speak in over 100 languages when you upload your own voice file.
With unbelievable lip sync that even the hearing impaired will be able to follow, and optional captions.
Plus, unlike what you may have seen recently, we are talking about videos for social media posts and ads that can actually run up to 30 seconds long. 30 seconds! So much easier to combine clips. All this from simple text prompts in any language, any niche, and any style in just minutes with no technical skills. And of course, there is no need for you to be on camera, no need for you to pay a spokesperson, no need for you to outsource anything, and of course, no need for you to spend extra money. In fact, you will be stunned when you see the value of our offer compared to anything else out there. Want to see the behind-the-scenes magic firsthand? Well, you are in luck, because on a very special training webinar, we are going to show you what you can produce and how you can use these amazing vertical videos to dominate social channels across TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, and more, with minimum time, effort, and most importantly, a minimum amount of money. All you need to do is enter your information below to see what exciting things that we have for you in this oh-so-real journey that you're on. Stay ahead of the curve. Stay with the folks who have been the first to bring you cutting-edge AI avatar products since 2020. That's us, of course, because now we are bringing you something that's even better, because it's, well, oh so real.
Sign up for our webinars below. See you on the webinar.
Okay, so we are back. So after you purchase, you have access to the backend area here. We can actually create your avatars, do everything inside of here, add in your text, and do everything that we talked about earlier. Again, if you want to see that full demo, I highly recommend checking out my interview that I did with Todd, and you can see all that in action. Now, if you don't get the bundle discount that they have here on the sales page, it's going to take you through that sales funnel. You're going to offer the pro version. This is going to give you longer videos, So if you want to do that, and plus you can do things like you can create longer videos, save your avatar, pre-made personas, all these different things. It's just kind of one by one is going to bring you through that sales funnel. Next one is the product promoter one, where you can actually have it hold on to like different products. The other one is you can have 120 plus digital avatars, so it's all like done for you. So that's, and you get 600 monthly credits added into your account. And then there's the fourth version of this, which is the unlimited usage. Now, this is going to be offered to you whether you get the front end one or if you get that bundle there. So if you want to get unlimited, it's going to allow you to upgrade and get as many avatars as you want. You can create as many videos as you want. It just takes it to the next level. You don't have to worry about any limits on your use here. So all these are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about OhSoReal and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, even though these look amazing, it still doesn't look exactly like me doing it or exactly like Todd Gross doing it or whatever. It's still going to be a little bit like an animated character. It looks really good, but it's still, you can tell that it's AI. What do I like about it? I still think it looks really good. This is the first time I've seen them do the mouths really well. If you look at it and you watch their mouths move, I think it looks fantastic. This is something that you've been wanting to get into. You've been wanting to either use for yourself or sell as a service to your clients, but you didn't want to pay like $230 a month for it, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my OhSoReal review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. It makes you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.